What's going on, Fish Cult? We did something cool today.
Yeah, baby.
Say hello to the new vintage
boat.
the vintage beauty 1988 Skeeter.
Yes,
Woo,
baby.
buddy.
Yes, baby.
Just went through this thing. We got a little bit of work to do on her, but you know what? We'll have her done by the summer there, and we'll be cranking out some content for you guys.
Yeah,
Putting
baby.
hella fish slime on this nice carpet. All for you guys.
Yes, baby. So first things first, we're probably gonna take it out for a test. Make sure this Mercury baby is running good. If not, we'll do some tuning to it. It's a 2-stroke, 65 horse. And then the next thing we're gonna do, Sean, what do you think? Carpet, probably.
Ooh, yeah, we gotta get some carpet because this is looking pretty grimy. We're gonna want to check out everything, make sure there's no soft spots in the hull. We did a good little feel around on everything. It's feeling pretty good.
We tested the light. What's our favorite part? Show them our favorite part. Power. Boom! A little interior light. That's
yeah, we
awesome.
We found out that still works, but
yeah, we were laughing so hard, but we checked the trolling motor. That's all working. That's all seems to be working. The foot pedal. Is that what you call this? Foot pedal?
Foot pedal.
Okay, good to know. Yeah, so everything so far seems to be all right. Lots of storage unit.
Oh, tons of storage. There's storage all over this puppy.
Yeah, literally storage all over this puppy.
Under seat.
Under the seat. Oh, this one's frozen because it's
sitting out in the cold. But that's the one too. We got a bait well.
Yes.
And then up here, we got to add a handle to this puppy, but
yeah.
We also got ourselves.
Ah, come on.
She's gonna be tough.
Yeah, we had a hard time with it earlier, but.
But here, that is a live well.
Actually, here, I have the screwdriver. I'll show you guys. Can you grab it when I open it? There you go.
Bang.
Boom.
Boom.
All right.
That's where we're throwing the lunkers.
Yeah, we're throwing
looking
the
pretty
big boys
good.
in
We
here.
got a little bit of water in there, but that's okay. We're gonna give everything a good clean out.
Yeah. So on this video, probably we're gonna first thing do tomorrow. Right now it's so late at night. First thing I'm gonna do tomorrow morning, clean out, vacuum all this, make sure it's all looking mint, so we have like a fresh canvas we can start on.
Remove any standing water we can find.
Yep.
Take off anything unneeded. We got some old fish finder mounts and things that need to come off, but
yeah.
Other than that, we're looking golden.
We already put a new fresh battery in it. Hold on, let me go on the other side. Boom, we put a nice fresh deep cycle. Ever start cheap battery. Still does the job though.
Gets her done.
Yeah, it gets it done. Yeah, here's the storage under this. Not much, but nice for a couple 3,600 stackable boxes there.
Yeah, those 36.
For sure, I can see some of them that go in there.
But either way.
So far, this boat has lots of history, it looks like. It's made in the '88.
She came from Missouri, we know that.
She came from Missouri.
She was at Missouri Boats.
So I've probably been on the Ozarks. That'll be awesome. My dream place to go to one day.
Sir. But we're in good shape.
Yep.
We're in good shape. Big stuff coming soon for you guys. Big stuff coming
Huge
soon.
stuff. So make sure you like, subscribe, support our channel.
And hit that notification bell so you know whenever a new video comes out.
Well, it drops out every time. At least we're going to try to do at least a video or two a week. At least.
At least 2 a week.
Yep. And then this winter we can start with this. You guys can see us. We're going to be going out for salmon fishing very soon. Or sorry, steelhead fishing very soon. For some reason I always call it salmon. He's always like, why are you saying salmon though?
This guy.
I don't know why. They're almost the same species pretty much.
Oh, they're not even close.
Are they? They're really not?
No, salmon's a salmon, a trout's a trout.
They have that, you know, that mouth that like.
Salmonid, I know, yeah, you're close, but no cigar.
I know, yeah. I know, it's just always on my tongue. But yeah. This crusty old tank in there. We're gonna clean all that out. Give that a good scrub down. Vacuum out a few times. It's gonna be worth it. We'll see y'all in the morning.
And so will the Skeeter.
All right, Fish Cult. Today's the next day. It's an early morning. We are out here. We had to run to our local marine store. Picked up some of this. Nice gel coat. And then some putty. Last night we found some holes. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but there's one of them here. Almost right down to the fiberglass. And then there's these little ones there. And oh yeah, there's a bunch back there too. Oh yeah. We have some probably some trailer damage or something like that. But these ones have some type of silicone over them. We're definitely gonna clean that up and make sure this puppy's running nice. Oh yeah, that's a big scratch here.
That's all siliconed up too.
Yeah, it is silicone. We're gonna replace probably all the silicone here because someone looked like they used like some bathtub silicone on there. Also got some holes over here.
Clean those up, and then we got some standing water in there.
Oh yeah.
Storage under the seat.
Here, I'll hop in for you guys.
That's got to be cleaned out.
Yeah, a lot of water in here somehow made it. Well, makes sense. There's this drain hole here.
And
that
we got a little bit of cleaning to do up in there, but that's
Yup.
apparently we had some rats at some point.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go through some of the wiring, just make sure nothing's chewed up, and
yeah, we tested so far everything.
most things are working, or
yeah, most
aerator's
lights
working, or bait well's working.
Yep.
We got some lights. We need a navigational light for the front because that's pooched.
That's not working. Yeah.
Front one's not working. Rear one's working.
Yeah, the light is working. Tested it for continuity. It's there.
Yeah. This aerator.
Yep.
Does nothing, so that's gonna need to be fixed. And this is actually working. So we got our plug for a trolling motor.
Trolling motor, so that's working.
Good to go.
Alrighty, fish call. We're gonna start working on this. We'll put you guys on a nice little time lapse. We're gonna vacuum everything first, get all this carpet decently clean. Eventually we're gonna change it soon, probably. But we're trying to make sure all the important things are working first. Everything is good to go on it, and then all this is cosmetic stuff, so we can always change that, right? Alright, fish call. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. Cleaned it all up. It looks almost like a brand new boat. Yeah, baby. Cleaned up the rear transom. How clean that is. Look under the seats. Boom. Go around. I still need to do the hull at the bottom, but that's gonna be next. Look at that. And we need to do the inside of here. Oh, baby.
Oh, come on. Come on. Ah! There we go. We're coming. We're going now.
There you go.
All right. Oh my God. Watch
Here,
this.
let me
guys.
get the other side.
This is beautiful.
Okay, here.
This is beautiful. Ready? Come around here. Just give it a little. Oh,
Look at
mama.
that. Look how beautiful it already looks. Guys, it's always just the little details, you know?
Just little things, man.
The little things that just makes the big difference. We're almost out of spray 9.
Luckily,
That looks gorgeous.
a little bit with this stuff, a
Yeah.
little bit goes a long way.
Yep.
So we can see we got a little bit of scratching going on.
Yeah, I was just
That's
looking
probably
at
from the door.
that. Yeah.
We'll probably fill that.
We'll fill that up all nice and fresh.
Got a decent one back there.
Oh yeah. So guys, look at all the boats. So this is 98. Check this out. Look at all these rough cuts. If you actually look all over the place, look at this rough cut. I don't know why, that just makes me laugh.
Premium Skeeter.
Premium, yeah. Look at that rough cut. They just went there with a straight jigsaw, or not even, just like a some angle grinder.
Good God.
Oh God. It adds the history to the boat though.
Back in the day there, actually, all these Skeeter boats had hand-laid hulls. Don't know if they're still doing that, but
That's interesting.
yeah, this is all a hand-laid hull. They did that just to make sure all the tolerances, everything's the same thickness. So these Skeeter boats, these older ones especially, they tend to hold life pretty well. They don't die.
I mean, look how thick that fiberglass really is.
Yeah, like as long as you take care of these things.
Yeah.
An older Skeeter, so you guys can go and find an old Skeeter boat.
You guys won't believe how much we paid for this.
Some of the older Colemans and whatnot too, like, because Skeeter's a Coleman company, or was a Coleman company. Once again, not sure if that's still a thing, but a lot of these old boats, man, you give them a little bit of love, they'll clean up just fine. Just make sure, if you're ever buying a boat, run through the whole thing. Check your hull, check your fiberglass, especially if it's a fiberglass hull. Just make sure nothing's rotted all the way through. There's no soft spots or things like that. You'll save yourself a lot of headache. Luckily, we got super lucky with this one.
Yeah.
And it's looking like, other than a few cosmetic things and a couple nicks and dents here, but
yeah, baby,
it's gonna be mint by the time it's done. Oh yeah.
Sir.
Oh yeah.
Gorgeous. Yeah, this wire is gonna hang it up somewhere.
Yeah, we're gonna clip that up in the corner.
Yeah, just like that. Boom. Look at that. That looks mint.
Yeah, we're not sure. We're not entirely sure if this is gonna end up just storage or rod locker.
Yeah, we're not sure yet, but
we might.
I mean, it will fit for a rod locker because it goes. Oh.
Other way.
It goes all the way inside this way, and it goes all the way inside this way. So
we might end up putting a tube. Up in there. Put a flex tube coming up in there just to protect all the tips because it's wide open in there to the hull.
Yeah.
And Bob's your uncle.
So yeah, guys, for part 2, we're gonna be doing most of all the patching up and all the patching up for here. Someone back then or someone used the Bondo at some point. I can tell this is Bondo just from feeling it. Even like all over here, some little spots here and here. Someone tried to take care of it. They don't do the best job, but it's okay. At least it tried, yeah, for sure, definitely. That's where we come in, though. And we're gonna take care of all these. We're gonna take care of all the chips at the bottom, all these tiny little chips. That's gonna be part 2 of our video.
Our goal is to have this thing looking
brand new.
Almost as good as she did back in 1988.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit better.
Maybe a bit better. So maybe we might be doing this. Honestly, last night we were really saying we wanted to take everything apart, sand it and clean it up. I mean, yeah, sand it, paint it, everything.
But this gel coat's looking really good.
Yeah, this gel coat is looking not bad at all. And once we get some waxing or something on here,
a little bit of wax.
A little bit of wax, make it all shiny. I think she'll be good at least for the next summer. And we're gonna focus on motors, make sure everything's running perfect. And then eventually, she's gonna go orange, like the Jeep up there. And with sparkle in it.
A little sparkle rocket.
Yes, baby.
Yeah! We'll look like a pro bass fisherman.
And we'll probably end up, maybe not this year, next year, we're putting a 90 horsepower in the back of that. Maybe. We're just gonna push the limit, you know, it says 80. 40 minimum. 80 maximum.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
We're not doing that.
Fucking kill ourselves.
Yeah. That's the only way. We gotta go fast. Extra fast. Gotta cover this access hole though. There's a couple access holes down here that we're gonna open up and
got one here.
Put a proper cover on it. And there's
Got one
back
there.
there.
We just covered it up with the carpet.
Yep.
Also, at some point, we're gonna get at all this wiring, run through it with the multimeter, check for any chewed wires or anything like that, but that's something we're definitely not looking forward to.
Definitely not. You can do it, but not looking forward for it.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to get that done. We're probably gonna put a boot on that hole just to close it up, make it look a little bit better.
Yep.
Other than that, this old girl doesn't need too much work, does she?
Yeah, baby. She's actually looking really good. I'm like very happy the way she looks right now.
Yeah, no, it's
puts a big smile on my face.
yeah, it's definitely gonna be a pretty sweet little project by the time we're done. It's gonna look great.
Yep.
I'm stoked. Stoke levels are way up here.
Yeah. The next video, you guys probably we're gonna take you guys out with us to take this baby for a little test drive, make sure everything's nice, everything's working good. I mean, we tested almost everything. The only thing that's not working is this for electricity wise. Trolling motor is good, everything's good, and the engine runs. We heard it run, sounds like a beast. And it's a 2-stroke, so I can't highly doubt there's anything wrong with it. But it's always nice to take it out, test it, make sure everything's shifting properly, and so we can know what we need to adjust and not adjust and all that stuff, and see if we need to do any tuning to it. Maybe clean some carbs or something like that.
Let's pack this up for the day.
Yeah.
I think we've done enough to her.
Yeah, we did lots to this. Honestly, to you guys, probably it was like a 10-minute watch, but for us, we had to clean up the whole thing, and it actually wasn't too bad, but it was a lot of work still.
Yeah.
And then we still have to go do some other work. As you can see, this is our business. This is what we do, those appliances, so
We got work to do.
we got work to do. We got actual work to do because we need that cash money, baby. That's the only way we're getting this done.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna be the video for today. We gotta pack up. Yeah, pack up, get some more work done, and yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next video. We're gonna be taking her out for a test run, are we? There we go.
That's gonna be the
Taking her
plan.
out,
That's
and
the
then
plan.
after that, we're gonna go through, make sure we got all our chips all filled in so we don't sink this puppy.
Yeah.
Either way, like, subscribe the video,
Yes, sir.
hit that notification bell
Yes,
so you
sir.
know when our videos come out. There's gonna be some big things happening to this boat, and we want to bring you guys along for the ride. So
Yes, baby. Let's get it.
we'll see you in the next video. Get it. Ain't that pretty?
Yeah, look at all this
You're
prettiness.
pretty, but
Look at all this
you're
prettiness.
pretty, but not that pretty.
No, look at all this prettiness right here, yeah.
You're letting Rayanne give you a big head.
It's okay. If my girl thinks I'm pretty, then I'm pretty. That's all that matters. I don't care any other, nobody else's opinion. If a wifey thinks you're pretty, that's all that matters.
This man tries me to drink.